Hey, how's it going? Today I'll show you how to get the Channel 5 application to your Firestick, as well as how to watch it if you are located abroad and not in the UK. So now, without any further ado, let me show you how to set it up on your device. First of all, you'll have to get an app called Downloader. You can actually get it totally for free from the official Amazon App Store. To do so, we just go to search on your device, and there in the search bar, we need to start typing Downloader. And as you can see, Downloader has already popped out for us at the bottom. So we click on it, and that's the app which you gotta get to your device. But after you got Downloader, it's not over yet. We still need to set it up. So in order to actually set up Downloader, we'll need to go to the settings on your device. So here we are. Open the settings, then scroll down and go to My Fire TV. Click on it. And from here, you'll have to turn on the developer options on your device. But on some Fire Sticks, and especially on the new Fire Stick devices, the developer options can be hidden by default. So if that's the case and you cannot find developer options anywhere, no need to worry, it's actually easy to make them appear. To do so, just go to About, select Fire TV Stick, and now you'll have to click on the middle button on your remote for 7 times. And do it fast, so let's do it. And as you can see, now at the bottom for me it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case. And in your case, it's going to say that you have become a developer now. So if you go back a bit, you will finally see the developer options, which have now appeared for us right here. Let's open them, make sure to enable ADB debugging, then go to install and on apps. From here, you'll have to locate Downloader and turn that option on. So what it does, it's going to allow you to install other applications from the internet and not necessarily only those apps which are only available in the official Amazon App Store by default. And that's exactly what we're going to do right now. So now finally we gotta go to the list of apps on your device, which is right here. Let's open it, and there you'll find Downloader, which is set up and ready to use on your device. But before actually using the loader, there's one more thing which I always recommend doing. It's of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN because they're super fast. They got a great app for Fire Sticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device you may use. And they're not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a cup of coffee per month, which is great pricing for us, the users. In a VPN app, you just connect to any server. Let's say I will connect to Cyprus right now, and from the moment you connect, all your traffic is going to be totally encrypted. It means no one can track you or snoop on you online, and that's really important if you want to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in the pinned comment below the video or in the description of the video, you'll get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Fire Stick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser, and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN, with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on the screen right now, with a camera of your phone. It works the same way, and it's also going to give you the same deal for Nord. And now, finally, let's use Downloader safely. So let's go to the list of apps on your Fire Stick, open up Downloader, and wait until it opens for you. And then here on the left side menu, it's very important that you click on Home and not on Browser. So once again, make sure that you have clicked on Home, and then in that search bar, we'll need to enter a code, which is going to be 28907. After that, you just click on Go, and while the website is loading, make sure to subscribe my channel so you would get even more content about Fire Sticks, as well as please hit the like button below this video. It really helps me a lot, and this way I'll be able to create even more videos for you. And now after the website opened, you just scroll down a bit until you find that list of categories. And from the categories, you'll have to click on UK TV, and then a list of applications is going to pop up, and from here we'll have to click on Channel 5. So there it is, let's click on My 5. Then an ad might pop up for you. If it does pop up, don't worry and just click on Close or on X to actually close down the ad. In my case, I gotta click on X, sorry, on close, and yeah, now a new web page has opened, which we also need to scroll down. And from here, you just click on download for Firesticks or Android TVs. We click on it, and now the download is starting. Usually it doesn't take long, but of course it all depends on your connection speed. In my case, I got a pretty fast connection. Then you have to click on install and wait until channel 5 gets installed to your Firestick or Android TV, depending on what kind of device you're using. And then don't click on open yet, instead press on done, because this way we'll be able to delete the installation files, as we don't need them anymore on your device. So click on delete and then delete once again. This way you get rid of unnecessary files from your Firestick and save yourself some free space on your device. And now, after you go to the list of your applications, there you'll find the channel 5 on your Firestick. Just don't forget to use a VPN and to connect to United Kingdom server in order to use the application abroad. That's it, enjoy and see you next time. Bye bye.